I'm so grateful that I can say I'm living my dream. I surf every day and I get to share a portion of that with you guys. Plus, I get so much satisfaction from coaching a handful of you each year on my retreats. Coming up with new video ideas, writing courses, editing, managing the behind the scenes aspect to the business, and then trying to remain creative can all get a little bit messy. It's at these moments where I try to mix things up, throw in a deliberate change of scenery in order to maintain that newness, that creative spark that I need to thrive and feel fulfilled. I haven't been to somewhere like Bali for a long time, purely because it's gotten so crowded these days, but for convenience and for warmth, it's hard to go past. I have a ton of work that needs doing right now. Basically, I'm writing and I'm filming for the Advanced Surfers Roadmap, which is proving to be about a 2-year project at this point. I'm gonna plonk myself in Bali for the next 2 weeks to A, get a lot of work done, and B, see if I can still have a really good time in the island of the gods. Bali is an interesting place. It's a hotbed of creative and interesting people. And there is an allure to the lifestyle that's portrayed on Instagram and YouTube here. Parties, the influencer scene. But I find myself more enthused these days by creating my own little sanctuary wherever I am. And the days roll into each other with me surfing, working, and eating. I find that by doing this, you naturally meet people who align with your own enjoyments and can develop authentic friendships with an awesome crew. Balancing the work I need to do with strategic periods of rest and complete non-work time is an instinctive process for me. The only rule I abide by is if I'm going to sit down and work, I'm going to do so for a few hours. It needs to be deep work. Or periods of non-deep work, like watching Netflix. Whilst here, I've been enjoying Homeland, which isn't actually available in Indonesia, but with the help of Surfshark VPN service, the sponsor of today's video, I'm able to switch up my location virtually to continue watching the series. I'm also using a lot of different Wi-Fi networks when I'm here, so having total security when online in Bali has been reassuring to say the least. Check out the epic offer they've got for you guys in the description below.
waterfall. Let's check it out and see what it's like. A little break from the surf.
I used to come to Bali and do it very differently when I was younger. Coming here with a specific intention in mind has really made it that much better of an experience. Yes, the surf can still get crowded, but with a little creativity and strategy, you can still get some quiet sessions in. And in my book, that's the mark of a great place. For my work, this trip has really emphasised the need for balance in my approach. I feel that this job requires a lot of creativity and focus from me, and without intelligent scheduling, I can easily burn out. The advanced roadmap has taken me almost 2 years to write and complete, mostly because I want to make sure that my surfing is at the level that I'm trying to teach, and that we have the very best curriculum based on real-world coaching and experience. With any luck, we'll have the course finished and ready to go by September this year. Stay tuned over at thesurfersroadmap.com. I love sharing this journey with you all, and I'll see you next time.
If there's ever a saying and a phrase to get you through life, it's this: don't worry, be sexy, but not naked.